Welcome. In front of me is a REALME Watch 5 and I'll be going over a quick unboxing of this watch. So by the looks of it, it does seem like REALME is trying to imitate the look of a... where's my... oh, there we go. The look of Apple Watch Ultra. Just not exactly, but I would say it looks like it's been inspired by it quite heavily. Now, where's the... how do I open this? Oh, there we go. Okay, whipping it out. Get the watch itself. That is a... wow, that is not a very nice feeling strap. It's very harsh. So there we go. You can see where I was getting at with the Watch Ultra kind of aesthetic. It looks like to boot it up I might need to plug it in. So in here we should have our cable and a Ziploc baggie, like I'm a dealer. There we go. Cool. Now, as you can see, the charging for it is a magnetic plug, so just attaches at the bottom and it's turning on. So we only needed to actually boot it up. English, yes. Oh, it looks like that's about everything that I've got. Can I go back? Okay, surprisingly enough, this is a rotating crown. Now I can feel the haptic feedback if you can hold it haptic, and yeah, it feels kind of rough. Also doesn't always like, so it gives you haptic feedback when you're scrolling through the languages, but it misses if you start scrolling. So it's like haptic feedback about once every half a second. Obviously I scroll through more than one language in half a second, and I can only feel like one at initiation. So like when I start scrolling to the next language, and then like it's gonna, if you continuously keep scrolling, one every like half a second or so. Now the watch itself is, as you can see, made out of plastic, so it is pretty light, definitely lighter than what you would when you consider what it's copying, which is the Watch Ultra. It has a flat display right here with the plastic going around the display, so it's covering it, and our strap, I wouldn't say it's... so this one is very harsh. Like this is, as you can see, not very pliable compared to some like other straps which are soft, nicer to touch. This will, if you get it like at a somewhere between your wrist, it will dig into it quite heavily because it, you can see, doesn't want to bend too well. If I get it like the end of it, and there we go. So you can see it like barely bends. It's very rigid. It also has this design right here, so you can see right here, those usually are like a weaker points in straps like this, but because this is so rigid, it actually barely stretches. But anyway, that's about it. It's just another smartwatch. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.